Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Well, it's 5th of June 2020 and I'm going to ICICI Bank just because my debit card got due, and I still haven't received the new debit card, in which I am facing a lot of problems, like I am not able to do online transactions. So signal bhi band hai yaar. So I got this pakda re bhai pakda. So I got this new mount from Amazon. I'll definitely make an unboxing video of this, and I'll tell you the quality of this as well. In the last video, I'll give it in the I button. See, all the shops are closed, man. Even till today. Wow, helmet pakda. Cricketer बन सकते हैं भाई. अच्छा, so what happened is, मेरा जो इसके पहले वाला original mount था, which I got from Sjcam itself, that got broke. Okay, one piece of that got broke, and I was not able to. चलो भाई फटाफट. तो इसके लिए लास्ट टाइम का जो व्लॉग था, वो उसका जो एंगल था बहुत नीचे आ गया था, एंड आई होप दिस एंगल इज़ परफेक्ट. I didn't connect the mobile to this Wi-Fi, Sjcam Wi-Fi, so I don't know. I hope it works well. So that's it, guys. So as you can see, everyone here is wearing a mask. COVID-19 का भाई बहुत तेज इफेक्ट गिरा है मुंबई में. So guys, tell me one thing. If you know what is the real name for COVID-19, just comment down below if you know it. Because everyone say Corona, COVID-19 and all. So there's an actual name for it. So comment down below if you know it. ICICI. हाँ चलो आ गया भाई बैंक. And the second thing is, I have to change my mobile ka screen guard, which I mentioned in my previous vlog. पूरा एरिया बंद करके रखेगा यार. सोम्या मोबाइल पे ही ध्यान रहेगा और बीच में चलाएंगे. अरे यार, the road is fucking closed. बाइक ही बंद हो गया। ये भी लूज हो गया यार, करना पड़ेगा ठीक।
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's 6 in the evening and I received a parcel on 2nd June. Well, I already sanitized it. I'll show you now and then let's unbox it.